To the channel, and in this series we fly to Miami to sail on Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. We set sail for Cozumel in Mexico and then on to Bimini in the Bahamas. But first we decided to go and see the Everglades. This was a 5-hour round trip booked with Viator and cost £140, which equates to $180. That's for the two of us. We opted for the Everglades Holiday Park. When booking, bear in mind there are a few different trips at different locations. Some airboats will have a roof, some airboats will be open-topped. The trip up to the Everglades from Miami South Beach was about 40 minutes. However, we did have to wait a while because it appeared that the cruise ship excursions had priority over our Viator excursion. So it was a good opportunity to take a few pictures. So the Everglades are a wetland ecosystem spanning 1.5 million acres across Florida. And many people think that the Everglades is just swampland, when in fact it's a very slow moving river. The river is about 60 miles wide and 100 miles long, and it moves at about 50 feet per day. The Kissimmee River flows south into Lake Okeechobee. When the lake fills, the southern edge overflows, creating the Everglades.
Morning, everybody. Through our tour today, we have 3 speed trails, which means we will try to go as fast as possible.
There are so many interesting facts about the Everglades, but I'll cover just a few in this video. The Biscayne Aquifer is a huge underground river that provides most of the drinking water to Miami and most of South Florida, and that water comes from the Everglades, where it's naturally purified and filtered. The Everglades also acts as an essential buffer during hurricane season. The mangroves stabilise the shoreline, which reduces flooding during storm surges.
After 6th Avenue, there will be somewhere around 400 vultures in this one location alone.
The alligator used to be the apex predator here, but now there is another, the Burmese python. There was an exotic pet boom in the 1980s, and between 1996 and 2006 there were as many as 100,000 baby Burmese pythons imported to the United States, with Florida being the main market. Now these pets can reach 20 feet in length, and there's a theory that a lot of them have been released into the Everglades. Hurricane Andrew, which was a Category 5 storm, also destroyed a python breeding facility quite close to the Everglades. That also didn't help.
Right there by the grass, you see an alligator, left side. Right there by the grass.
We were told after our trip that the alligators don't really like the wind, and they'll remain undercover and out of the way, submerged just below the water.
Right side, right there.
There was a second sighting that I didn't catch on camera, but in all honesty we expected to see a lot more than this. Thank God for the Alligator Show, which is coming up shortly. So getting back to the pythons, they are practically eating all the wildlife in Florida. Rabbits, deer, foxes, raccoons. The pythons are even eating the alligators. The state of Florida now organise large-scale hunts, and there's a $10,000 cash prize to the person who kills the most pythons during a 10-day window during August.
Alligators can go underwater and stay underwater on warm breath for about 5 hours. These are known as swamp apples and are not edible, plus at all, because they do have a toxin in them called arsenic. If you eat the fruit, it will cause seizure-like symptoms.
So that brings us to the end of the airboat ride. Now we can go and see some more alligators.
Don't walk away. Listen, I can't fix this if I don't know what's broken. Please say something. I'm giving up on you. Come on, Lilly's spot. We gotta do one show ahead of all. Let's go. Come on. Okay. Yeah, right. Better straighten it out. $2 million of animatronics. This thing won't go to the right spot anymore. What are you doing? Come on, you fool. This is why you go and stick. Captain Crunch, activate. You goes to the speed. Do you not see me over here? I was going to the gate, in the gate. You gotta open the mouse. This one's broken again. He gets paid after the show. This ain't welfare, this is warfare. This smells amazing. I believe that's Tony's place. I found my keys.
As always, thanks very much for watching, and please hit that like and subscribe.